Hey guys, Gian here of GadgetPhilipinas.net. I just got here a package. Hindi ko alam kung kanino galing to, pero I am very eager to open it up. It says in the box it is 6.86 kilogram and 27 pieces. So hindi ko alam kung accurate yun na 27 pieces yung laman ito. I was trying to shake it, pero feeling ko isa lang ang laman niya. Origin of country of origin is China, and customer is Manila Digit. So I'm not sure. I can only guess that this is a speaker, but let's see. Whatever this is, I would be very happy to check it out and review eventually. Let's go ahead. Let's open it up. By the way, before I open this up, a quick reminder to all of you, we're giving away a Samsung Galaxy A20, and all you gotta do is to subscribe to this channel and let us know in the comment section that you've already subscribed. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay. It says Sound Industries. Hindi ko lang kung ano laman ito. And of course, the only way to find out is to open the box. Woo! One big box right here. Parang magandang box na po rin yung ilalim, no? Woo! Yes. More. Right. There you go. Yeah! Bigat! Laki! 2, 1. Oh, whoa! It's the Marshall Stanmore 2 voice. Wow. Worth 27,990 pesos. I guess this was sent to me by Digits Trading. It says here at the back, Stanmore 2 voice packs serious power into its compact frame for a sound that's unrivaled. You can use your voice to multitask. So Google Assistant enabled. Wow. All right, so they haven't even opened it yet. So talagang sobrang pristine condition, and we will be the first one to open this up. Oh yes. Bagay na bagay to sa ating bagong opisina, which I will be unveiling soon. We will have a separate video for that, so hintayin niyo yun. Bagay na bagay. Box right here. Ooh, there's some informations that I need to read. So there is a quick start guide. There's also legal and safety information regarding the usage of Marshall Stanmore 2 voice. There is an included power cable inside. And here we go. Here is the speakers, guys. It has a faux leather finish. Of course, made wooden. Marshall, the classic logo of Marshall. We have here the drivers inside. The speakers are here. I had to check out the number of drivers included inside, but details are now displayed below. The volume knobs are here, classic looking volume knobs. We have the auxiliary port. There are several icons here which says Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth, auxiliary, RCA. So you can just simply select which ones or which source you wish to use. Pipili ka lang dito. There's a button right there. Volume knob, bass knob, treble, and there's a play button. So if this is connected to your Spotify maybe, you can use that. You can click this. I'm not sure kung pwede mong gamitin yung ibang mga buttons for anything, but other than that, yun lang yung available for that. So you can only play and pause. I am not sure though where they put the microphone, because it is supposed to be able to listen to you if you're going to say, "Hey Google," and this one will respond. And then of course, this is where we put the power cable. The woofer is at the back for complete sound experience. There. Nakasaksak na. Then what we need to do is, ayan. So umilo na to. These are LED indicator. Download the Google Home. Ooh. Heard it. That is a very familiar sound.
You can ask me questions and tell me to do things. To get started, download the Google Home app.
Okay, I will now do that. So, to initialize your smartphone, you have to download the Google Home app, which I am going to do right now. It should be quick because we're using PLDT as our internet provider. So, gusto ko sa kanya because kapag ka nagsalita ka at nagsalita din si Marshall or Google rather, the assistant, the lights on the volume knob, which as you can see right here, also lights up. Or light up rather. So, iilaw din siya. And create another home because it says here, there's one that I've already paired, yung mob boy natin before. And then this time, let's say stand more. Ooh, stand more. Stand more 2. So it's now looking for devices. It should be able to find the stand more 2. See that? Nakita na niya. Stand more voice 37cc found. Nakita na niya. Connecting to Marshall stand more 2. So nangyayari ngayon is kinoconnect through, ito yung conduit. Kinoconnect niya ngayon to my Wi-Fi via this one. Did you hear the sound? Yes. Yes, I'm in. Okay, where is this voice? Let's say office. And at this point, it should now connect to our Wi-Fi. That's it. It's pretty straightforward. After you've connected it to your Wi-Fi, you can now use your Marshall Stanmore 2. So, ganun na siya ka-easy. And if you wish naman to use the Bluetooth, all you have to do is to select Bluetooth and press and hold. You should hear a sound. And then, you should be able now to connect to your Bluetooth device when you see yung light ay nagbi-blink. So, at this point, pwede mo siya ngayong puntahan dun sa iyong settings. Click settings, Bluetooth, and then you should be able to see Stanmore. Or it will just simply say Stanmore 2 voice 37cc. There you go. Namitin natin siya. Now, once it is connected, then you can now play your favorite songs, like for example, Spotify. Here. I should be able to control the music rather by clicking the button. But when it is connected via Bluetooth, hindi mo pwede sabihin na Google stop. Hindi pwedeng ganon. You can only do that when it is connected via Wi-Fi. So, doon lang papasok yung pagka-smart speakers niya. When I'm playing music on my iPhone, I can basically set the volume from my iPhone directly, or I can do it manually via the volume knob. Pero yung volume knob dito, as I can see right here, when I control the volume knob, it also controls the volume on my phone. Right? You can see right there. So kapag ka nasa maximum, that's the maximum. If I go down to the middle, let's say middle, yun siya, same thing dito, and then I play it. Okay? And I can control the sound further. Soundstage is so good. I mean, kung maliit yung kwarto mo o mapalaki, you should be fine with a single speaker, such as the Stanmore 2. Bass, you can control it. Even treble. Other songs. Gusto ko sa kanya because buong buo yung sound. I mean, there's a good balance of highs and lows. I like it so far. Syempre, initial impressions pa lang to. I would love to tell you more when I post my full review. But in terms of design, if I would zero into the design, I like it so much. The faux leather matches with the branding of Marshall. Yung two-toned nung harap, nung drivers. It says, it shows here parang mint color na parang braid yung texture, and then brass yung ilalim. Sobrang classic. And it doesn't actually weigh too much, to be honest with you. It's a fantastic sound device, and I am looking forward to have this and my new office. I will be giving you guys a walkthrough of my new office soon. Eman and I will be very much happy to show you and walk you guys around. To Digits Trading, thank you so much for sending this. We will be posting our full review soon on gadgetfilipinos.net. So for those of you who are currently watching this, I encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment down below that you've already subscribed. Again, this has been Gian of gadgetfilipinos.net. This has been our mystery box unboxing, and it turned out to be the Marshall Stanmore 2. Thank you guys, and see you soon on our next video.